The idea was simple, almost too simple. Pizzas, flown by drones, straight to your door, no traffic, no tipping, just hot, cheesy goodness delivered by a machine. Sergei, the eternal optimist, saw a world revolutionized, and Dongni, ever the pragmatist, saw a potential health hazard.
What if it drops on someone's head?
Their first prototype was ambitious, a modified toy helicopter, a pizza box tied with string. It didn't go well. But hey, every successful business starts with a few crashes, right? Their first test flight was memorable. It was a sunny afternoon when the team decided to launch their ambitious project. The excitement was palpable as the drone, loaded with the first payload, prepared for takeoff. It took off with the grace of a drunken seagull from Andongni's offshore pizza factory. It wobbled and swayed, struggling to maintain altitude. The drone was to first stop at Georgie's in Ashbury Park for the delivery of sausage pizza and Marlboro Lights, but it never made it. The drone was intercepted by researchers at the Picatinny Arsenal under suspicion of election interference. Conspiracy theories ran wild. Some claimed it was sabotage, while others believed it was a government plot.
Government drones spying on us disguised as pizzas. The theories were as wild as the crash itself.
The local news had a field day. Reporters swarmed the scene, eager to cover the bizarre incident. Headlines screamed about the drone disaster. But amidst the chaos, something strange happened. Even pizza was being offshored, and the people loved the story. It became the talk of the town. People started noticing all of their neighbors outside waiting for pizza. Orders poured in for the once speakeasy service. People were intrigued by the novelty and wanted to be part of the excitement. Drone pizza became a sensation. Social media buzzed with photos and videos of the drone deliveries, and the company quickly gained a cult following. "This is amazing! I can't believe it actually works." The excitement was contagious, and people couldn't get enough of the drone deliveries. The delivery area grew up the Hudson River and deep into Ticonderoga. The deliveries connected the homebound COVID-phobes with offshore pizza, made with the finest Chinese-inspected ingredients. "Best delivery ever! I love it!" exclaimed a user who goes by Faceless Fred. Customers were thrilled with the unique delivery method and the delicious pizza. Plus, users in New York could get things like the finest Chinese-flavored e-cigs delivered. Today, drone pizza is a well-oiled machine, or rather a well-maintained drone. The team has ironed out the kinks, and the deliveries are now smooth and efficient. With drones spanning 8 feet wide and the ability to fly all night on a single charge, the service is absolutely astounding. And Dongni's pizza is legendary. Sergei's drones are mostly reliable. Together, they make an unbeatable team, delivering hot, fresh pizza to delighted customers. If you would like to be part of the buzz, check out our drone pizza merch. Let us know if there are any new delivery areas we might have missed. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more of the legendary delivery ops of drone pizza. May your day be radiated with substances in a non-lethal dose.